your daughter has been preparing for me all this while. Very delicious, right?
Ma,
Missy, ebe bunko ya kupintwa mo matete ya bre.
Mami, I need to that's a Bibi our whole story.
but it's a story I'm not to see.
Na fufu ni kese akrebe. We try me see so si sana didi.
I'm tight. Yeah. Mommy, and I've been wanting to discuss this with you. My person discusses Anyway, what I mean is when do you plan on spending at least a week with us?
Yeah, so we say if I'm not going me don't never be found.
Mommy didn't go on.
I said, more range in the satin, the same money. Men are not bad when I mean. I may buy
Nana baby.
Only relative day. Drew. I just say that's what did you do.
I'm in two train. I said, Nana, next year, and I'm going to spend the days. It's not fair. Promise you. Is it a promise?
Oh, I saw.
No, mommy, is it a promise?
I saw this. Wow, dear. They fed about the dama.
That's it. You know, baby, I hope they're enjoying.
Dear, you are. Me, did I mean the phone?
And I heard the last time we were discussing, said,
What's it?
I mean, the last time now, they make us more food, more person with this cabbage because some more have more.
Hey! Hey! Dear, why are you? Son of a child, what do you know? Wush, a Janine. Hey! Why are you? Didn't I be married to Queen? Also, never. Buy all my head is that. I Jana fell you. May Babby Jow. Your foot. Jessie. Ma. You must see. Now, many do brand you, good dear. She never be my winner. She feel you see. And now for 7. And now 4. I don't find it to me go away. It's a wadama. And more than for being rad. Jessica, who are ye, who now I who could hear Babby some and no cross I dare no befrak and I was who knew to wine. It's a water. Moving the refia and mamma, and maybe my baby and good in a chip. And down for dear, who wasn't a down for a baby, I no so praco. Now, how I should be any tea on the baby. Mr. Watty, my baby, my share. For Boosus and you, a procro. I do to you, chino. I'll control our solid. Come on,
we are glad and I can't.
It's a while lady, oh, my just hey, me to be woe. Hey, yeah, so yeah, next day.
Mommy.
We used to be with it. I don't know what you should have missed me.
No, I didn't know.
Mommy, say we have diabetes. Anyway, I'm actually sorry. I should have been with you, but I was on a Zoom meeting.
I saw say English to English in India. I have country. Yeah, man. Yeah. Go I spoke English every day.
Anyway, I should actually be taking my It's fine. So,
and then I
if you cry to me, because I'm going to print penny was now, man.
Wait, yes, I'm doing.
That's one go print.
I know,
and I'm now for fun. I
know, I may quiet, no. First time, I said I'm new diagro. Dear baby.
As I said now for phones who was.
There was.
Yeah. No, they not now for. Anyway, I
say no but any chile. The man so dem afasa me bo. Send them in baby agro say na me no baby. I saw me me sure what. Just am am baby piano was. Me so many achi. Say be me be nya be me nyansafo. Baby am mo dom na mo. Mo ko pe mo frɛ me.
Nobody referee.
Aye, Miss Yesi.
Mommy, only say me cry na ya na. I think say always say was me dawasi. For giving birth to such an angel. So
I'm afraid you. I could be one. I don't testify.
Hey,
I don't testify. My baby no wuni. Bruni be ndem se she. Me no no wadwa.
No bad then.
Yeah.
And I said that way there. That was yeah. Me see me kusa. Say the smartness no free one. Of we dey free hope. Yeah, bonnet.
Hey. Franco na ya wose.
As well anyway, time is. Oh, Sanya means to me a cook room, you know. If you don't mind, I can drop.
I mean, me major. What?
But yes, so no, we're betting about diabetes now.
Papa, me dey me kwa me.
So you are always growing younger. You're always growing younger.
Me ana. Hey, obaje ba hu see you. Hey, me dey wa kwa.
As we wait, I mean to you on my mouth, Franca, or the Yakana.
Hey, this one seems so much animal.
Baby.
Dad, they would so.
What's a bone to my manga.
There's a winning.
What are you cooking today?
I'll just fix anything you want.
Jollof food.
Yes, perfect. Perfect.
Mommy, young friend.
Yes, but I'm coming to Baba.
That's your wife, right? Oh, thank you.
Wait, wow.
Yeah, look at you. Stop looking at my ass. Is that your car?
Get inside, hop in the ending.
Oh, that's nice.
Get inside.
Okay. Oh God, Nana, it has been so long. Hey, what am I ever say? Is your Juma Vena Sisiawe?
To say me importation of cars.
Oh, okay, you import cars here and there. Hey, Nana.
It hasn't been easy though, but I mean, we are still managing.
I was also in the US and I decided to come and purchase a land here, but me buy and no, me pay apartments, Airbnb apartments, if you can't, I'm kosher ya. Udi hu me ojanshi easy.
Oh, okay.
And it's so expensive. Like,
I mean, Airbnb, they don't talk about it. In Kumasi, don't talk about it.
It's so expensive.
Even sometimes, yeah, I think say Accra, was things are supposed to be expensive, no. Airbnb is expensive in Accra, but if it comes to romance,
I don't know why. It's just a room, like a room and a kitchen and a bathroom. It's going for $150 a day.
And I said, no cry.
I
no cry cheap.
A day.
And meaning says she took room because
$150, Mrs. Sabami Missy Kaimwa, Ghana Sika. That is I'm paying to almost $2,500 a day.
And that's what I'm saying. Say it's even cheap. Right. Some go for like $200 and $250, $300 a day.
$150. Oh, but I don't can't afford it a day.
Some go as far as $300 a day.
So we're in one room. They have something like that as well. They have 2 rooms. That is going for $350.
Oh, okay.
This is just a room, just one room with a small kitchen, and then every day because hey, my bagan and so a day, maybe I made that a day, 2,000, almost 2,000 a day. And to know, and then they said because here I'm digital coin here. Hey.
It's expensive, but then why don't you find an alternative? Say we are different. Why don't you?
Say to me no come once. So do you? Who promo say? The idea me be anything me beside me associating me to family too much. Oh, beside me be to assassin. Not just say my fast non come back.
I get it. Ideally, on say actually I was doing well that time, and God being so good, I met me a CPA.
Oh, Nana! Thank God!
The unfortunate aspect of it is I have a woman in my life as it stands now, and she is in the house with me. Anyway, me your friend is saying guest rooms near me. If you don't mind, that we can figure out something then. So, but I have a woman that I date with. Well, present the next year. Bana, Betina baby, na me masa, Mawaria mini oba TV. I don't know if you feel comfortable. Then probably I discuss with you and we know the way forward.
Okay, yeah, I will still search. If I don't get something, I will call you.
I mean, I know it's expensive and it doesn't really make sense.
I also don't want to worry you. I mean, it's like
oh no, you know what? Then that one day I'll just find a way, a very nice way. Some member coming cook and say you are my ex. No, for that one day it won't even make sense. Oh, who in her right senses will agree say Nepali your ex now and then in betting if you it won't even make sense. You get it? I guess you get what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Exactly my point. And to what that I'm saying is that menene bekasa. Okay, but I'll tell her say probably we ABR Madam Fumia and what Baba is stranded. Why? Like I'll just find something. Provided say we'll be comfortable. That's the most important thing.
right, okay. Of course I'll manage. Thank you. I really appreciate that.
All right.
God bless.
When I get my and you know, me call more about the so where will be convenient
Oh,
okay for you?
drop me at my friend's place.
Where precisely?
Oh, her shop.
At Daniela shop.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I know I'm here for Hanene Mamente. Oh, I say then goes and calculation. Nanta Lucy at that stretch. Hey, no, I shall honor.
You said down in the Wagana. And then what is the contact?
Oh, come on. Daniela, we were not that close.
Okay.
Minty me,
So do you have kids?
For now.
Oh, okay. It's not solid. You know, when kids comes into marriage, then it becomes very, very solid.
Oh, but well, in my opinion, I don't think so. Sanity.
Okay, well,
depending. It's a marriage.
You know, for the kids,
so, for between 5 kids, probably 10 kids, but not almost. Not tension that one them and I say
I know, but if there is kids, I mean, you can consider, not doing some things.
Kids grab them and our concentration if you partners.
Yeah, wow.
Hey, baby boy. what to eat.
I'm exhausted. Highly exhausted.
Sorry. Come. Great.
You should tell me that you love me.
I love you. Please come
Let me change it.
I think that you should change it.
Okay, movies.
Maybe the movie, not God.
Say Hindi movies now. And then how well is this impacting you? Huh? It's not even having any impact on you, babe.
What would football also do to you? What would it do?
Anyway, let's cut it short.
Okay.
Annie, there's this discussion I want to have with you.
Okay. You're sounding serious. Well, what's up?
Ideally, I actually even wasn't buying into that idea, but thought it wise probably if I discuss with you, we can judge and come to a page. Okay, you and I know I'm a solitary and highly independent guy.
Can you cut to the chase?
Okay, let me go straight to the point.
Yes, please do.
There is this friend of mine, okay?
A she?
It's a he.
Okay.
Anyway, what if it's a she? Anyway, let me go straight to the point.
Okay.
There's this friend of mine. He's actually in the States. He has helped me a lot. And he has a sister.
Okay.
Yeah, who has just returned from the States as well. And he wants to put the sister under my watch.
Is she a little girl?
Not necessarily a little girl, but she hardly comes to Ghana. And I mean, she was born there.
Oh,
So,
okay.
yeah, she doesn't really know people here. So, if really you wouldn't mind, I wish she would come and stay with us here. That's if you don't mind.
Okay.
Ideally, you know what? It's not even my wish for her to come here, but as I said earlier, this guy has really helped me a lot. If I should tell you the kind of assistance this guy gave me, you'll be shocked. I don't want to turn him down.
Well, who am I to turn this down? It looks like your hands are tied. But how well do you know this girl?
Well, I hardly know her, but
You hardly know somebody.
you know what? I know the guy and I trust him so
We are not talking
so
about
much.
the guy here. The guy is your friend, I get it.
Yeah.
But then the lady you're talking about?
Okay. Once I know the guy, I think with the ladies issue, it shouldn't be a matter like that. Babe, trust me. You know I love you and
This is
I
not our
wouldn't-
love, please. Stop licking my brains. You don't know the girl in question here. How
babe-
do we live with her?
It's a best friend's sister. So he's equally
Who's
a good
also your
person.
best friend?
Not a best friend. Definitely she will be a good person. Okay? When say links be if they connect, you will notice I didn't free Hannah air Kohanum, I didn't the same line or a to the same line.
It looks like you've already accepted
No, babe, no.
You have.
Babe,
Because
your
the way
decision,
you are-
babe, you know what? Okay, fine. Okay, come up with something. So, babe, I mean, you know, I've already had a thorough discussion about her coming, so
Yes, sir.
there's no need for me to even hint on it anymore. By the way, this is B. You know, my friend's sister that I told you about.
Hi, B.
Hi.
So she's equally my sister.
Nice
as
meeting
well.
you.
Oh, the pleasure is all
I
mine.
know about you.
Oh, I have to. You look so beautiful. Your skin color and
Oh, my dear, thank you.
She's no different
Just
from my
wait
brother.
till I last like 6 months in Ghana.
Oh.
You see it changing.
Oh no, I doubt our weather can temper with your skin. So good. Have you had
Girls
anything to
talk.
eat?
No, I just got here.
So what would you like to eat?
It's been very long
Baby,
since
usual
I ate
job.
fufu.
No, they.
So I
Manager
would love
She
job.
to
went
eat
fufu.
Yeah, I love to
Hey,
eat fufu.
bonito the fufu was such a love. Auntie Kasana Mintewa.
Sweetheart, me pay fufu.
Any quine
Any akranti and quine.
Okay. Yes. Yeah, now the Kobe Kakra one. Kobe, I'm Please let me get to it, okay?
No, sure.
I'll be with you guys shortly.
Okay. Alright, let me show you.
Your house is
We'll talk about it later.
Yeah, he's coming. Hey. Yeah.
Can I sit on your bed?
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
I'm good. Yourself?
I'm good too. You look tired.
I'm good.
Anyways, I want to ask for what you eat for breakfast and lunch.
Okay. Anything. I'll be okay with it.
Please say something.
Well, what do you normally do for breakfast?
Bread, eggs, sausages, oats,
Okay, I think
semovita.
oats would do. Do you have bacon?
Please, we don't do bacon in Ghana. Please,
In Ghana?
we don't
We
do bacon. No,
I took some at this hotel. Got into like the last.
that's a hotel.
Okay, alright. So you give me anything you have for breakfast. I'll be okay.
So
Oh, Mori Coco. Hey, Mori Coco, me TV chache. We didn't pay Mori Coco.
Martin, another
Mori Coco, that would do for breakfast.
oats.
No, Mori Coco.
And then tomorrow, pen and make a some like the rest of the days.
Oh, okay, you mean that? Anything you eat, I'm good to go.
And see, aside we want Morikoko for the rest of the weeks now. Best spend your hand.
No.
Yeah. So maybe you take oats,
Yeah, I do take oats sometimes.
cocoa powder.
Okay, yeah, that will do.
Okay, all right.
Okay.
Yes, mom. I'll leave you to have your peaceful sleep.
Thank you.
Have a
You're
good
such a wonderful host.
You're welcome.
In fact, I'm not leaving this house. I'm
You
staying here
have
forever.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay. Hello. Nana. What are you drinking?
Do you want to have a taste?
I want. Nana. In fact, I really miss how we used to be. I'm talking about our olden days, how we used to be.
It's actually past and we should let it slide and go.
I don't fix that quickie banana. Yeah. You remember
are really
that
funny.
quickie?
I remember all the time.
You used to talk about that quickie. In fact, I miss that quickie there.
It was a great experience though.
Was it?
Yeah.
I feel like I just kissed you.
Goodness. Come on.
You just drink from this glass and I'm drinking from the same glass, so I feel like I'm kissing you. Like this, look at me.
Yeah. Have you thought of the fact that my wife is here? Come on, Bina.
Look at you. Would you want to taste the real thing?
We are not here alone. My wife is here for crying out loud.
Where's your wife? Hello, wifey. Where are you, wifey? No. Hey. It's not our first. Why? Are you a virgin? Don't tell me you're a virgin.
Abaya, no one can dream so smoky.
Abaya,
I need to fear.
Oh, you mean B?
Yes, sir.
Babe.
Me go watch more and you marry me watching from me go here was saying from man. But say watch more no smoky.
Come on, I mean, this shouldn't be surprising. I mean, you know these kind of girls.
Oh, so you are aware of it? And you didn't tell me?
Listen, I'm not fully aware. But I assume, say, when say girls your maternal brochure, you know, say, obviously, when they keep you warm and all that, so.
I hang your trap also.
I know, I understand, babe.
How long is she going to be here?
Well, I think she's here for probably 3 weeks.
See, 3 weeks over, so your atmosphere is for 3 good weeks.
Babe, it's not even inside, come on.
Outside.
You know what?
Greenhouse gases. Carbon monoxide into me healing now. You should talk to her. If she wants to smoke, wants in the room home smoke.
In the room instead.
Now, why are you not going?
No, but say, babe, push more.
We have trees, plant life. Patrol. Or show no man, you could see bomb pounds, so it's in his one puha, as I announce now.
Okay, if that's what you want, I will advise you on that. Okay.
You just got me tipsy. Put it inside. No, fashion.
Yeah, come on, baby.
It's a fashion. What's my tipsy? Just quickie, What the mommy? My fine you. I want hot one down there. And I put it inside. No fashion. I didn't know you didn't do no fashion. Honey. So that Bible verse, do you know I have some on my phone?
Really?
Yeah.
That's a John 3:16 they will be a dream. How come so they will stop?
No.
Yeah, babe.
But you have to know my hearing.
I mean, we were having some little discussion. I mean, no,
This time?
Or see your choir, sorry, I changed, you know, or
It's too late for you to have a chit chat at this hour.
Good night.
Sleep tight.
Don't forget to pray it down. Pray it down. Jojo. Quick one, maybe I will say you.
Manager.
Yeah.
What were you doing with another woman at this unholy hour?
Babe, with this kind of question, I mean, are you skeptic about me? Do you have doubts about me?
I don't have doubts about you.
Honey, for
But
crying, babe.
your mannerism lately
Honey, you and I
started
know,
making...
babe, you and I know, sir. This lady in question is a sister to a friend.
Just that. Or you are building something beautiful together.
Do you think I'll go beyond that? Do you ever think I'll do that, babe?
Right now, I don't know what to think.
Okay, for this question, do you trust me? Annie, do you trust me?
I do.
So why should you have this kind of feeling?
Why are you also pushing me to a tight corner? To start having different thoughts about you? Nema because of fear on me. Many. It's not me, Baby Boy, money.
Hey, you're ready. Cratchy a penny. I didn't know so. Jessie.
Unse Nana Dina down for being in your bar.
Me make quite a missing me about. I had it.
Nana sorry on damage.
Oh, a boy. A dear. Hey. Why, some okay. Listen, Jessie. Ben, my dear, the pan is on your mouth. Hey. Unfortunately, we are seeing man sending an such as say, oh, Moderana. Sending an SBT, ya opesa with the bonnet force with the shiny and HSA.
Mammy, fast someone shame. Dear meeting. When I meet me, German, who's an is
as a far more real. Dear, show him a show by an eye, show a shilly.
Ma.
Casa. Until
the bells around, nothing saying, okay, we are that to her.
And only if you're back, Conamo. Eh, maybe we don't need as more.
Ma'am, me, ha, many Namaka
Casa. Minimaso now, better than have a can. Na na genti mi nya de boni wo chida ah be ma na asu wo hokura na no ofenfa mo odo na afle na ni
na de be he
me me he de
pani na be he
enye se enye ho kokwasa enchiche ho se se ne wuti a wotiti hu sa na ese ko ba ho a ba kire enye ma wade papa nhwe asana aka na nya ne kode ababa wa na nya ne hwe no fefe enye ni bibia no na ho be ma ne bibi no no de na ba fia wa wa lo ba atimda se ne ne se hotels na bubu yo kode ne ko ho wate
so de page no on fa ne hunzi esi yo ba If you want to smoke, kindly do so outside the building, not indoors.
Nana, friendly brothers, don't call me babe. Friendly babe. Why are you calling me babe? Ah, we should when you know why you are dear. No, we are not. I said, yeah. I know when I will hear you. Didn't you see my missed call last night? Where will me miss call? I have a friendly babe. Let me walk out to Tobanto's name and your mother be here. And a friendly babe.
This is not the kind of attitude.
And trust. And I still said, Brana better mention. No, now who message you?
At least I was expecting you. Then I explain myself.
This is with a crackle.
Anyway, I am sorry, and I'm going to so now me babies maybe that's why I didn't.
Me friend, me family phone, and I lay one number. No, my love. I called you. You didn't pick up. One for call. And I may call online. Me share and you were active. You were online. Like you were active there. It me fell by 20 times. What patches a cost me now? Well, what patches away who cost me now? That's why. Say be changed. So yeah, sad it.
Actually not. I'm really
You come tonight. Will you come tonight?
I said it's a promise I will, babe. You know I love you.
I'll buy ice cream, you brought. I'll punish you. I will put it somewhere and I will make sure you like everything. I'm mad at you.
I promise I'll make it up to you, babe.
I'm even Jerry made me chill. Probably even worried. I should just said you come back.
Are we going to discuss?
I'm mad. You was.
That's what I'm saying. It's a sorry. When the place in your house, you won't.
Depend on how good you perform tonight.
Babe, are you serious?
Yeah. We crowd in Canada. Last week I chose them my ye. Me who I ye. What saw the baby. I used to buy that over here. Did I test? I don't know for.
I'll be outside.
Man, no for. So you see, you are test. Come for rest. We both food. I don't even know what I'm playing with. I'm perfume. I mean, way I'm toying this string. Pink wine. They chat is before our fire. Them so bad for ice cream and bread. Little baby, so cook. Okay, when we get home and I'm cooking, and you go around the house and nobody's there, come and give me a cookie in the kitchen. Better. You come to my room tonight. Please come to my room. I'm so honey. Let me touch you. Oh, you're hard. You're so hard. Nana.
Babe.
Are you not ashamed of yourself? Huh? What's your friend, a sister? What were you doing over there with her? You were all over her. Or she lingerie. And I would tired, you know who you're kissing her. What is wrong with you? Have you lost your manners or what? Huh? Because I don't really meaning what you want me to do right now. Right now, me know that home. Me ni pa me yediama home. Me yediama baby do be ma kwhye me boa. Naneji.
Jessie, do you know you are raising your voice?
I am raising my voice.
Yes.
What was the meaning of what you did there? Huh?
Jessie, haven't I shown you enough love to have qualms about me?
Sure.
You now have doubts about me, Jessie. No, come to think of it, maybe. Hold on. If you are me, may you sue me all sweat to build. I am your
wife for crying out loud. Have you checked the time? Me check the time, Mom. What is wrong with you?
Oh.
Imagine this. You money about you are smooching her.
Okay, so now, wow, Timisha law. Ain't you know, marital law, no? What she should say at a certain time or a certain point. This is say, I mean, ubit me setting rules, right? Ah, just open heading. Wow, marital law, no person. Some married man mean any about from Dinkomo at any point. I'm ashamed of myself. You should be ashamed of yourself.
I should be ashamed of myself.
Yes, over your husband. You should be. Yes.
If you had done the needful and come in casa when him said make us when it's already, you know.
No. Needful. They say time I mean me person because Dinkomo be amen crowd. Are you serious?
I don't.
No, are you serious?
I don't, Nana. I don't. Nipa kroya me beto woni no oba ho. What were you both doing at the same dawn time now? Some about Minim Yansa.
I think so.
What would you have done?
Oh, so what's you feel now? Tim Nani Bemage the mood didn't come. I won't question you. Yes.
You see me feel.
I won't question you.
Make no see me feel.
I won't question you.
Make no see me feel.
Please.
I'm in my husband's house. Me no what say. God. What do you take me for?
What did you just say? You are in your husband's house.
Of course I am. And I have every right to question you.
Question me.
I do.
I will fear me.
What do you want me to do? Huh? It has happened before. First time you know the council was saying you apologize, nothing has happened. And at the more you know. You can see through everything.
Mabel, excuse me to say, Oba na me ne dana. Oba na me butu ne so. Ah? And I buy you condom at all.
Me ma money do gas na me ni abre me boa.
Jesse, listen to me. Be wise enough and know what you are asking. Okay? Be wise enough. At the end here. Me person what is na me
wise enough.
Yes.
So now you shouldn't be wise enough, sir. What's on your back for what I say? No, listen. I'm not insulting you. I'll pack my things and leave this house.
Jesse, don't let it even persist. If you want to leave now, even at this moment, you can leave. Okay?
America town and boy, Mincher.
Jessie.
Yeah.
I think in our last discourse, you evidently and practically told me you would be leaving. So I thought, I'm of the view, first thing and Kabe this morning, Ube pack your bag and leave. So where from me got town about?
You want me to leave the house?
Did I hear you right?
I think I should be asking you that because...
What discussion did we have last night?
Me na me catch you say if...
Of course, do not catch me say Obekwa. Who hear them? Huh? Who now catch me say Obeko? And who hear them with you?
Why?
Why what? Why what? No. I mean...
You're shouting at me. Me then why are you mad this morning?
You know what? I'm sick and tired of your nags, okay? your complaints there. I mean, I can't deal with that kind of headache.
Why are they not Makano?
May say I'm sick and tired. Or say woko. It's okay, you can leave.
So you want me to leave? Naneji. Naneji.
I'll be the happiest person on this earth if you pick your bag and leave this house. Yes. I mean whatever word that I'm spewing out. Yeah. No, Jesse, maybe. Auntie, in your thoughts now, what were you thinking? Say, oh, Kono, member Pacho say, Makufa Bruni be a betina mi fienti, or see Ujame Wako, Ujame Waka, Ibihiame, Ujame Waka, a combedeme. Auntie, ano penanka, me bunko to you, no my power, no my kofa, or tune for Abanu, be bunko to your name. That was what you were expecting, right? I'm not stupid, okay? I'm not done. I can see you are fed up. So you can leave. And mind you, I mean, if you are parking, if you are not yet done parking, if you are parking, kindly leave the charger behind.
Say your words.
Say leave the charger behind.
Please, all those lectures. You can have the house to yourself.
Jesse. Babe, the devil is gone.
Baba ni say.
Sometimes me cry. Say nyaya hurry.
Hey, Jesse. Enye sa na oba wale for woye. Ah, wo be ka asem yi maka jo say ji wani ne puuto. Ni pe wasis ni nuaba. Ade nti na wo de kura twe sa obi ne nuaba de agulo. Ah, me ka say me nkura blem kura na me sha mo no adanfo bi. Ne ma mienu oba ba ko be ma ba ko. No mo dwale bom. Enwi asem. Efa ho bani. Ah, maka ji say wani wo no oba wa wale wo tu honom. Enti se bi ni bibi no na oba de na ba fie ho. Oba be na agimi se be ma be ka chen se. Ma me be sifa mi enko mi fie na mo yire ho na enso. Be ka ho na ye me mpana na asese. Jesse. Tie se ne me ada no wo be da.
Say de unim ze de meti. Bibi eni amisi ho.
E de na esi. De a. E de na akoso. O ma ye de. Akoto so fa.
Ana me na dem ho. Ana jugu so sorry. Ba pra kwara na dabre na obi han. It's me sorry I'm the meeting no. No koya won ni na steps ase so omu. Ko kan ya de chena me kan ya unu ya kutuku. Isa me nema na me nko.
Ntuguru na aka mo se sesa na ema. Wuntimi a. Ah. Sorry.
Ntimi ya me nko.
Fefe nyambotire. Wa be kamate. Etwa se me koti ono susu sai. Enti no cement mi anko wo china de a wo china ma shanti ajewa se me ba no ha ba do ya de ama no na de chi me ko wo de blam person ne ko tena se e we kwa de ma ba bisie hey gwenya asem bia me ko na me ne ko kasa me sa do be ko die be se su da do e kente sa
Yo madam fu ya che. Ay, abroche follow no. Ay. Boga lande. Ye, mi ni ni. Boga ni ka ni ni. Boga ni ni. Hey! Ye. Boga ni ni. Boga na lande. Hey! Hey! What are you saying? Boga. Hey, abroche
Thank you. I will change the one. I'll come back a bit just because it's gonna cry because I know what's going on.
No, what's gonna cry? I saw you see it.
That's a million. You know about you. I mean, they're job.
You know when New York can come back to
Oh,
you.
just say, yay!
My friend another
Oh my God! Wow! I'm not cheating. Have you done a pulley? What? You done a pulley car? What pulley car? Okay. Hi.
Nana.
Oh, wow.
So this is my childhood friend, Vensa.
Oh wow.
Nana.
Really nice meeting you
Nice
again.
meeting you too. Oh, wow. So Kayampa.
Oh,
You're very handsome. Much of your fair what?
Me that's also home for pa.
Thank you.
I mean,
yes, they are to see the
Hey, na me never about chaba. Me nye jam home. Me me share burger. Share.
picture now the children me cry different. I mean, she looks very very good
Very beautiful
in person
than the
than
picture.
the
Go for can. Go for see. Hey, you for just your friend in
Unya
person.
photogenic.
Oh, thank you.
Hey,
Enti mu say we here fa hey. Burger. Burger ni e. Me wo your friend. You don't know. Hey, me wo krom. Me na me ko krom dada. And our friend me na be ka say ne Brian na ne e.
Enti you go see where.
Mo ko see me.
Okay, if I
Baby, I'm going to go. Mo ye pie. Ah, ti be ja burger sa mo mo kwasa. Dey be go to baby ni ye ni titi kwabo.
Okay.
When you say
no problem.
And I'm more baby I'm ko dada.
I mean, her wish is my command, you know.
Zobi.
Sit down. Let's
Okay. Yeah, burger. Hey. But I'm here kind of kakati. Hey. Well, when burgers mo pa ho. Ade be for e mo car. Put me in brand new car.
Versa, Nana is already here. But I'm not coming. But that's the young one. Africa.
Na wo che burger.
Yes, baby. Okay, to go back. What's your name?
Massive.
What they want? Nana!
I saw.
Honey, come down. Put your main gate in it all. Nana,
I saw.
put your gate in it all. Oh.
Hold on, please stand.
I saw there.
No, maintenance. No, get it. Don't say get it. Get it.
I'm also sorry, I'm not sorry.
What's your mission here?
And then I said, Jane, and make a say.
Point of correction. Menya was you, but you. What's your mission here?
Ajay.
Yeah.
I dear me bunny bear if you be catching the man jendy.
Okay.
Me bunny bear was swap.
Okay.
Na we jan and swaka. And I'm saying how we are walk. No befa wo kotan ne fie ho no wa me ware wa me hu me.
Okay.
Wa ma me na ase ama mesle wo. Ana wo do koy. Papa mo sese ana wo no wa ya ade ense mfata. Ana wa hye da kasa. Wo na apam. Na me be ye wo ne ye no nkasa ye mu die. Ase ye no kure pa.
Okay. I mean, in the first place, no. On say, what you even did is so wrong. So wrong in the sense
that. Hey, there wo kana mentinti katwi na me no nkasa wate.
Ade na wo ye honestly entwa yi.
Sese ya so.
Se oba obi fie na jum. One nantia ba without calling the person or pre-informing the person. Ideally it's wrong, but when you need I'll give you the maximum respect. And secondly, who make a statement be said, Oba be verify said the Oba ne catch on no cry. Once in the first place, Oba where did nothing. Because one, Oba Ofri Hako, she left here as the same person. Ofri Haka on more than. Na dream da wo fine. And Sebu obi a na adwenem da ho fan no abedi nkomo na se o fa kire apenkomo no kra na kire se nipa na akra no wono unhye da nyi nipa ni misa ehon no anya ade seriously anya ade. And thirdly,
yeah, won't be a man.
Listen.
No,
let me speak, please.
Once you are make us
Mammy, oh Kasama Kasa, can you let me land? Thirdly, Obana me babe fanono. Na okrayamfu. And Mama na mfe bibia and free hono amba ano. But all free hano or the 16 Pro Max in the free hano. And she came to your place with a bag full of clothes. Inti had me cry over and mean himself over damas say oh nyame adom oba ni bedru fie no kra 16 Pro Max or den ta den so abefi inti no
say me ni ni na be busa no so kasa yetente what you me man wo
mama asa kasa yawa can you please leave my house because my explaining bibi acho
inti say wo si wo ja me
man can you leave my house
man aye wa woni na jai ajai kan wo so nya aboa na abefa ni firi mi nche ti me sana se ni wusi bi bai me ni se wo ye ni papa
okay
enti ade e koso ye fese me ba ni na didi wa wo de ye hye me ba ne pabo sisi ye na re edana
oba no ne pabo anko me hye size 38 and hye size 42
say when e wo kasa fon sa
can you leave my house
hey ra
babe
wo free here fa
babe
madam
eti wo no wati me ba na wale mo ba na sen
be ma ne ka want wo your ba pe
are you listening to me or
listening ba no atachem ana wode ne all corner so no de niam akọ
so ase bloni ne se wo na ye bi do eti be ye wo da na
ani
are
get out
Ajay hey
hey
ani
ma eti say dey
babe money pay free fee ama
ma eti me toma mo na wa so twene sa no
ya da wo yi ji ti ya bradi na me
me kuno say o ma no nse toma o ye ba ta o toma ya se toma o pa bo o se toma
such people ba I mean why should you even entertain
papa wo na uja get me too ho e fa ma me shege o get you ka e da so da ho okay, so come in.
Wow.
Look at you.
So.
Hey, me ye de wow.
The day I buy kakra. And how much make what kakra?
And me ye de.
What a motion.
Oh. Have a seat.
Cheers, mommy.
hey
Honey. Yes, who is here, Mercer?
We don't want you magano.
Nana fear you.
Hi, Nana.
you are finally here
Yeah, I'm here. Hey, what's the blow for here? I'm here. The blow for the news at 3. Yes, mommy come. It's
welcome
Nana. Hey, what problem? Hey! What happened? Baby, anything.
what do you care for babe you want to send the opera anything
wow hey Nana
see me babe there's what braba BBC I mean enye shy say we better to scare me cuz dem no
me dey me come you bien fait et tu na ane bien yankai et tu na kakra me wanna know first me wanna know ay Nana
anyway no what are we up to like then
Nana makache bro for na ya
we forgive my manners since I mean that's what I've been doing
what I can be
sorry
hey
all the time
Matias here bro for na pass me so
Black label.
oh we need your pay Raja
Me person be want them to the black label kakra.
kitu na so na
kakra.
we welcome
oh
no my bad
no problem here
what how understand Me was a fabla, our husband.
Hey, my husband, our husband. I'm a promise.
Also, I found the person.
My husband.
No, our husband. Cheers.
Cheers to good health.
Oh, husband, cheers.
Yeah, our husband. This is my era.
And funny person. Me know what they are media.
Cheers.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers to good life and health.
Oh, and more money. Let's go live in Sumeso. Oh my God.
And it's ready day.
We Jenny Bia. Libon, we Jenny Bia. Oh, for
minimum.
When we are befie. Hey, me try be na me boa. Nya na asama da.
Yes, we ni mo bia wi a won so kan ya hwene ni manager. Me fa bottle ni mesia.
O person with that crowns where there are so many rooms.
Jenny Bia so many baby ada come. O dey e ma me dan me da ho.
Me famba.
Wow. Ina na ya dio. Me di akaminya, o mi twa beside akaminya. Oh, enkwa ho.
Enkwan.
Dey, ya putan tum kakra. Nya ni fufu tuwa bi.
Kai so me di kini me ma o ya ma ska.
Na me bodida. O di awu se, o di obetimi aye. Oh,
so ni me da.
That's what snail soup ni be.
Honey, me no madam for na ka so no nya me sita. So che mo say our husband.
It is a bit me ya ba wan for him. Again ya fu. Enti wo sisa ya bi. Wo kwa mo chepa yin now, so so fine na. It is all my ya menu me, then I meet him, me pen quiet.
Nkwan mi ade a che.
My baby, my mean, my my baby, why?
Men's are worry not now quite a good fridge, my baby. If you are creating me, gumo.
Mundi, yes, is ya the baby, did how 1 month 2 weeks.
You are always invited here because I am intimate.
And me petty. Ah, me say me cram me kwai. Tebia be tan gbangba na me wura mu.
Say me no diet ntino, I mean.
Oh, indeed, ya ka fridge ni mi say say ne wa baby.
No, that is the year.
Okay.
I'm good. But Deo, should me say Jose Anaise?
Anyway, your friend is saying the funds that I promised you, I think in 2 days' time, I'll do a deposit into your account, okay?
What?
I've always told you, sir, I'll do anything to make you happy, irrespective. I mean, I'm not gonna toy with your heart. I've always said that. Yeah. I love you.
I love you too.
Come on. Respond with a hug or a kiss or a peg. I'm not gonna. Then you ask, come baby.
So, I want to tell you something. This afternoon, my friend called. Very soon. Next week is her birthday. I promised to take her out, but we agreed on something small. Like she wants to come and spend a week here.
Just a week.
Just a week.
Babe, you know what? I've never turned anything you proposed down, and I will never do. Okay. I wish I am a commandant in a thing. Anything you suggest, and anything you propose, I mean.
So she should come.
I'm in for it.
She should come.
Oh, babe, even if she wants to come this night, come. Okay. I love you.
Let me sit on you. Thank you.
Thank you. Send me just mommy my husband. Thank you, Media Crew. Thank you.
Thank
you.
You have a seat.
Okay.
Take your
now, say, my baby, me say, you be post to you Dubai. Videos are being posted on the hello.
You are really funny.
Thank you. You go to the hall.
Oh, it's okay, it's fine. You can sit.
Sit down.
Minimum. Oh, my sister, Papa. Friday, me no put the bag away. Me no put the bag away. Oh, you can't make a move. Money move make a move. You're the buyer, no magic. Thank you. So dear, say what ye, and I know me buy a make us say, I'm not so much jack too. So, oh, anytime be a person, baby, makes me up. It's then I'm a bob one when I'm saying, you remember Dubai. Remember Dubai. Hey, Dubai. Missy videos are made jano. Ah, make say, the girls now me on paper, on penny.
Anyway, when you are highly welcome. A higher. It is a make us a mummy in the movie because me how many times now.
Oh, you're quite a bad man, dear. I was so going
the person being in videos, swimming pool, chill or so. I mean, whatever that you want to do.
Yeah. Me know then.
Come on.
So me that's what it. So opportunity kakaka we out there mommy. Yeah, me say Radia.
Odo beginning I am when you and say me don't ban at least.
So when you pay na. Oh, what should do? On them so be me me that's no me that's me shower take. Me shower pa.
And you why what that's society?
Mommy Nancy. Hey. Na ka kitchen environment no. Hey, na what bra?
No, so done see. Yeah, I mean, and yet, would done as mammy saw mammy chance to say, yes, say, no, be. So, who say no piano and that's not that mean, Shiana, that kind of that kind of vibe.
Sorry, that's
maybe messing your home. What was what make up? We see about the videos.
Some of the
videos. Eradia. What's our house swimming pool?
Mumper, you know, mobile number basis and that means
oh, God, yes. Maybe I can't even destroy your VCO.
You come up.
It's much of the kind of show me there.
That's it. I don't matter.
Yeah, send me down. Man, can you get to fast for? Yeah, Dubai. Every day.
As discussed, let me the big window instead, right? The biggest room instead.
Yeah, that's why I put it back.
Alright, sure.
Okay.
And you have to the mom, some couple of food. Oh, God, yeah. Shit. Listen to head. Every day. I'm going for the shoe. Every day. Hi, Nana. Yeah. Oh, wow. Fine, Jare. What? I should come? Oh, okay. Okay. No, you come. Come.
Ah, yeah.
You. Huh?
What do you mean?
Oh, come on. It's mine.
I mean, who has been admiring it?
Me, nobody.
Serious? Yeah, you know what?
No.
I'm swimming with you tomorrow.
Oh, come. Tonight?
No,
oh,
tomorrow.
That's nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
How secretive are you?
What secret are you?
How secretive are you?
I
mean, on the scale
very
from 1 to
secretive.
10.
No. When it comes to secret, and I'm good. Pacho, me executive officer. And then what's up?
So assuming,
I still don't understand.
well, assuming we have something between us, is it gonna be a secret between us?
Oh.
I get it. I understand. Okay. I get it. Deal.
Are you talking about us? Oh my god. Okay.
Enemies of progress. Toxic, 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 toxic. Devil of woman, go kill me. Oh, toxic, toxic, toxic. Enemies of progress. Toxic, 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 toxic. Devil of woman, go kill me. Oh, toxic, toxic, toxic.
What's up? Mommy pass it. They be full money panda. That's all your fish is a little bit. Yeah. That's a bit trip back. We was all watching Adam.
Yeah.
Now then, our year we would choose your why when you said I would cheer you, choose me.
I said I'd be true.
Yes.
I'm different too.
Yes.
Otherwise, easy to get cow.
But you fall out. Oh no, that's all bad. What's up?
Maybe we'll wrap on the move down home, chain body cacravia, or virgin. Hiya, can you keep a secret? Can you keep a secret?
Why not?
I can't keep my secret. Tell it.
What's up?
You want to see? You want to see?
What's up, boy?
But can you keep a secret about me? Maybe of course, oh, you saw what you don't.
Could you keep a video phone so I may find your mother? I was
yeah, step by step.
Why are you keeping a secret?
Papa. Your one, that's just a piece of
maybe it's a house.
Second soup,
I never made me bizarre.
I would say, I mean, that, but say no to Tony Bill, I can see. We got two businesses scanning a bit. I can't say I was here. What do you also buy a new project to be to the man? She is all the money I offer the ticket. Very good. And also, Miss also near that by family. And now, dear, what did you make?
And I was so
and I was doing Just cancer the video in Babon, Tenassi can call by a dog who would mean Casa because he could tell Babon TV. Video, you say video,
video, into a crown, baby.
That will be not to know book to a room. I could have no one. Have one no. No one no. You don't buy a friend. I mean, you can't have a feeling. You never had a message shot to so.
I quite baby.
I make you cut to so.
Messi,
make this is about 1 year. A video no.
Fair boy, no fat of in the
Ah, but they're tough. Share. I dare tough. Me soaking green leaf like a